You don't have to sing the chorus, you shout it at the top of your voice. It says, "Fine girl you are." Fare thee well, my lovely Dinah, 1,000 times with you. For we're all away from the holy ground, and the girls we all love through. We will sail the Salisbury over, and we'll return for shore to see again the girls we love and the holy ground once more. You're the girl I do adore, and still I live in hopes to see the holy ground once more. And now the storm is raging, and we are far from shore, and the good old ship is tossing about, and the rigging is all o'er, and the secrets of my mind, my love, you're the girl I do